Hi folks, okay, so today we're just going to have a look at probably one of our most versatile products in the G&S range. This is a stainless steel swivel, and it basically allows so much more control into where you want water to travel in difficult areas. So it's really, application is where you can't get low down and you want to maybe clean out wheel arches or even gutters, something high like that. It basically won't move under pressure, so we do a lockable version as well. But its application is quite widespread really, and it's basically up to you to find its niche. So by allowing you to easily control the direction of the spray, the swiveling nozzle holders increase the efficiency of the cleaning process. You can quickly adjust the angle to target specific areas without interrupting the flow of cleaning. This results in a faster overall cleaning time. So swiveling nozzle holders enhance the manoeuvrability of the jet stream. This enables you to navigate around obstacles and clean hard to reach areas more effectively. This makes them particularly useful for tasks such as cleaning vehicles, outdoor furniture or complex outdoor surfaces.